Hello! How are you today, kids? Welcome to our English class online. I am your teacher, Airene. So for today's lesson, we are going to continue our lesson, okay? English alphabet letter B. Okay, so let's review our lesson last week. Okay, you can repeat after me. Big letter A. Small letter A is for apple. A, apple. And this is an apple. Let's read. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day, that's what they say. Okay, so these are the words that we learned last week. Okay, what is this? Ant, ant, axe, and axe. Alligator, and alligator. Airplane, and airplane. So today we will learn new letter, the letter B, okay? So here we have this one, big letter B. Small letter B is for banana. Banana. Yeah, this is a banana. Okay, let's repeat. Big letter B. Small letter B is for banana. Banana. Yes. Next, let's read the rhyme. A banana for you. A banana for me. A banana for monkey. Up in a tree. Okay, now let's repeat. A banana for you. A banana for me. A banana for monkey. Up in a tree. Okay, so now let's have new words today. A bag. A bag. A basket. A basket. Again. A bag. A bag. A basket. A basket. Two more words. A bee. A bee. A butterfly. A butterfly. Let's repeat. A bee. A butterfly. Okay, so for your worksheet this week, you are going to write the name of the picture, then color it, okay? You can choose here. We have here a bee, a banana, a bag, a butterfly, a basket. So you are going to write the name of the picture. Okay, what is this? Is it a bee, a banana, a bag, a butterfly, a basket? So you're going to write the name here and then color it nicely. Okay, so thank you so much, kids, for your attention. That's all for today. So thank you for listening and watching. See you again. Goodbye.